up to the West Yorkshire bushcrafting meet up near Skipton. Beautiful place. Sailing it down that way up here. It's took me about 2 hours 15 minutes, back up a long way. But good, there's a good view here. It's got my normal setup, but I bought that big Wilco tarp. Spider's legs. I just bought cricket net hammock. All the stuff down there. A lad called Rich next door. I'm going to meet Fergs and Jonesy up here. I've never met the blokes before. But there we are, a communal fire down there. I haven't really met a lot of folks at the moment. But so how it goes. Beautiful sun coming out. But I'm going to be quite honest, I'm a bit I've had a few drinks. It's been a brilliant night. I've come up to get something to eat. I am absolutely starving. There's a few lads still around that campfire. I'm going to join them in a bit. I've got my jet boil on. I've got one of these Wayfarers meatballs and I am absolutely starving. I'm going to get it on a few cobs and then rejoin the party, which is down there. A good load of lads. And then hopefully stagger back to here and have a good night's sleep. See you in the morning. Well, for my dinner tonight it's just Wayfarers boiling the bag, spaghetti, meatballs and pasta. I'm going to rejoin the North West Yorkshire bushcrafting party. Very mild night. Stuck around campfire till about 12. In fact, I'm just going to go and see if I can find all my stuff that I probably left down there. There's Fergs in that down there in that tent. A lad called Rich there. Now that's what I'm talking for breakfast. A couple of egg and bacon sandwiches. I think people are getting up now. Well, there's Silsden. We're camping in this wood here. Lovely little place. Had a brilliant night's sleep. And look at that, a bit of Yorkshire sun. Beautiful. Been tempted away from camp by the local public house. You are?
Oh, I'm Jerry.
Jerry.
Phil.
Sav.
Gav.
Dev.
The Robin Hood in Silsden. Bit of home life here. But anyway, there's my dinner. I guess he's just turned up. He must have smelt it coming. But thanks.
Sound like I ran up the hill. Feel like
ribs, beans, taters. Help yourself, lads.
I'm good.
Well, it's Saturday, and to tell you, so I am enjoying it up here. That's the wood that we're camping in. Up there. I think this is Leeds Liverpool Canal. That's where we're camping in there. It's quite a good little place. A bit damp. And this is Yorkshire. And there's Skipton. Yeah, and I'd come back up here. It took me about 2.5 hour, 2 hour 15 minutes to get up here. Well worth it. They're different camp. So anyway, I'll go back, see what's happening. 11 o'clock Saturday, it's just started raining. Everybody's like sort of rushed back to get the things battened down. So I've decided to just lay here and have one of these. I'm going to have a small, rather communal fire when it settles down a bit. See you later. Well, that's my setup right up there, big trees, and this is base camp. A good night was had round here last night actually, some arrows up there. I didn't get a lot of filming done. It's not one of them kind of things up this West Yorkshire place. There's not a lot of kids that get their cameras out. They just come here and get on with it. So I haven't really done a lot of filming at all. It's a good setup, nice little wood as well. Yeah, it's been a good camp, like I say. I haven't done a lot of filming. Sunday morning. It's about 8:30. I'm just going to like pack up now, have drive home. Set off about 10 o'clock. But no, it's been good. It's been a good camp. I think everybody's getting up now. Well, for breakfast, I'm going to try one of these all-day breakfast Wayfarers. A cup of coffee. Well, that's it. That's me all packed up. It's been a good camp. This is where I was. That is a new Bergen I've got, by the way. Donated by Dazzle. Quite good. I think a lot of folks are shooting off, getting off today. Like there's Richard there. Here's that right camp. Yeah, it's been a good camp. Enjoyed it. Well, that's me about done here. Really enjoyed this camp. Yeah, you know, meeting new faces and that. Beautiful area. And well, if I'm welcomed, I will come back up here. Maybe a summer camp. It's winter. Well, it's quite mild today actually. But no, good. A good camp. So, till next time. Bye.